Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to have some understanding about the univariate analysis. So we will cover the following topic, that is what is univariate analysis, how it works, and the need for the analysis, or we can say univariate analysis. And so, is it essential to do univariate analysis before any analysis process? So the answer is yes, because with the help of univariate analysis, we have the quick overview about what is our data set and which attributes it has. So let's get started. First of all, what is univariate analysis? So uni means one, so the analysis by taking only one variable is known as univariate analysis. And it is essential, yes, it is essential. So first, now what is the need of analysis? Let's take an example. Analysis of data is one of the most important activity for any organization. Big tech companies like Google, Amazon, IBM are doing their daily activity on the basis of the data that they store in their information system. Let's take example of the Amazon. We are using Amazon app. So whenever we search anything in the search box of the Amazon app, suppose some people want to purchase mobile phone or computer, so they just search mobile phones and computers and all. So they will receive only that mail which tends to purchase mobile phone or the computers. So they will receive only that mail. This is all about the daily activities on the basis of the data that is stored in the information system. So this is the one of the best example of the analysis. Okay, so there are two reasons for the analysis. First, by analyzing of a data, we have an idea or the stats of anything related to any perspectives. Here anything related to any perspective means, let's take example of the Amazon again. How many people want to purchase phone? That person belongs to which country, which brand people like most. So these are the anything related to any perspectives. By analyzing of data, we can easily get the stats. And next one is sometimes these analyses are used for taking future decision, means in which area the demand of the particular brand mobile phone is more. So this is an example. Sometimes these analyses are used for the taking future prediction, or we can say decision. So this is the univariate analysis, is the very first analysis technique that should be done in every analysis process, or we can say scenario. So what is univariate analysis? I already done to you. So how it works? It takes data, summarize data, and find different patterns in that data. So patterns like minimum value, maximum value, average, interquartile range, etc. And univariate variable, that variable, it can be variable or a condition like age, height, number of goods, etc. in your given data. There are so many options by which you can visualize your data, like a box plot, histogram, pie chart, polygon frequency, etc. But box plot is one of the most important, by which you can easily get the quartile range, interquartile range, that is IQR, which is nothing but a 70% of your data minus 25% of your data. So this is known as IQR. Okay, so this is a visualization of a systolic blood pressure of a person with the different frequencies. So on the x-axis we have a blood pressure, and on the y-axis we have the different frequency. From the above histogram, it is clear that there is only one bin. So this is a unimodal. If suppose there is only two bin, so like this and this, so this will be a bimodal. But there is only one bin, so this is a unimodal, and the range of this histogram is from 75 to 244 approx. So we can get the range from the maximum minus minimum, so it will approx 169, and for the mean value for this it's about the 1115, that is 115. These all about the univariate analysis. There's a complex task for getting the interquartile range in this histogram, but we can get by just 75% of the whole data minus 25% of the whole data. So this is all about univariate analysis. If you have any doubt, just drop a comment. If you want a whole description about this video, just see the description. I will provide a link. Thank you for watching.